Boom! Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Panu from TechDude. Recently we have achieved 4,100 subscribers, so thank you for you guys. And by the end of April month, my target is achieving 4,200 subscribers. Hope you guys help me to get there. And in this video, we are going to talk about iPhone 16e. How this iPhone 16e series will lead to Apple's downfall. So if you are new to this channel, drop a like, drop a comment, and subscribe my channel TechDude. Let us roll the intro. In this video we will in this video we are going to talk about iPhone 16e and Apple's downfall. And iPhone 16e will be the start of it. The reviews of iPhone 16e, they are all mixed bag of reviews. And one more major thing is that it is costs around 60k, and 60k itself is not worth for the iPhone which comes with 60Hz panel. Past few years Apple is stuck in the same cycle. They are lacking innovation and they are lacking new designs and getting fresh perspective on their Apple iPhone designs. To be honest, talking about iPhone 12, it used to come with vertical cameras, and at iPhone 13 they have changed it to horizontal cameras. Now at iPhone 16 series they are back to vertical cameras without the bump. And one more major thing is that Apple has great brand value in Indian market. Like every 7 out of 10 people owns an iPhone, not the pro one. They just own the basic variant. And I feel like lots of people cannot afford iPhone, but they want to get iPhone on EMI. I don't prefer, or I don't suggest you to do that, getting iPhone on EMI. If you have an purchasing power, definitely you should go for it, otherwise you can leave the iPhone. So if Apple doesn't change their approach, it will turn like Nokia, because Nokia phones used to be pretty much lack of innovation, and they used to be boring because they used to use the same design. And one more thing is that it may also become like a BlackBerry, because when phones were switching to full screen, BlackBerry was still using the keypad type of design, which led to BlackBerry to vanish from market. So iPhone SE was an cheapest smartphone in India, or cheapest iPhone you could get previously, but nowadays it is an business gimmicks. I will explain you guys. iPhone 15 costs around 58,000, and iPhone 16e costs you around 63,000, I guess. And there is a major difference of 4 to 5,000. And when a customer goes and gets an iPhone, they would definitely go for the newer version of it, and the 16 series is a newer version of it. And I feel like iPhone 16e compromises in terms of camera compared to 15 series. And one more thing is that normal iPhone 15 is much more stable compared to iPhone 16e, because iPhone 16 is newly launched. So one more major thing is that Apple need to realize that they have to start re-innovating themselves in terms of design, in terms of user interface, and etc., so that they can sustain in a smartphone market. And one more thing is that Apple have changed a lot over in terms of years, because they are completely focused on money as well as business stuff. They have removed the charger from a smartphone, and now they have made slimmest smartphone. And in olden days they are the one who used double cameras, which Androids have copied. And one more major thing is that they are the one who came up with notch design, that all Android phones started replicating it. And one more thing is that dynamic island, starting dynamic island got lots of trolling and etc., but slowly all the smartphones brands started copying it, such as OnePlus and Oppo. And this is the thing Apple used to do. They used to revolutionize the smartphone game, but nowadays they are sticking to simple So one more major drawback is that people in USA started switching from iPhones to Android, because nowadays everyone has an iPhone and there is no brand exclusivity. And one more major thing is that Apple started slowly losing their magic on audience, and in long term, which will cause huge trouble for Apple. Like it may decline the sales of an Apple product. So this is a major conclusion of this video, is that Apple is becoming a boring company where they stopped innovating, and they are becoming business minded. They are all about business now. and in long run which will lead to the failure of Apple company as a brand. So that's it for this video guys. If you are new to this channel, drop a like, drop a comment and subscribe my channel. Take care.